Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced business climate, where consumers' expectations are constantly on the rise, it has become more important than ever to understand your numbers. So we ask, do you really know your sales data? Imagine knowing exactly where to invest more in your product line or making more data-driven decisions for your company's growth. Sounds exciting, right? Well, by integrating NetSuite and Microsoft Power BI, you can uncover some valuable insights into your sales patterns. Today, we're diving into how these software integrations can help you optimize your sales processes. You see, the combination of NetSuite's comprehensive ERP functionality and Power BI's potent analytics provides a powerful tool for your business. These tools help you consolidate your data from different sources within NetSuite. Then, using Power BI's smart reporting and visualization tools, you can create accurate business forecasts using real-time insights. So let's break down how this integration helps you spot sales cycles patterns and optimize your sales process. Firstly, NetSuite acts as a centralized hub for all your critical business data. When integrated with Power BI, you can get comprehensive insights, helping you make informed decisions. Secondly, understanding your sales funnel is vital to boosting conversion rates. With NetSuite and Power BI, you can easily track the sales process and pinpoint growth opportunities. Thirdly, you can analyze historical sales data, identify trends, and even predict future sales volumes. This strategic planning can save costs during low-performing sales seasons. Finally, having real-time visibility into your sales cycles enables quick corrective action, be it tweaking pricing strategies or boosting customer retention. Informed decisions lead to business growth. Analyzing sales cycles is crucial. It helps you spot potential bottlenecks, streamline inventory management, and ultimately gives your business a competitive edge. And here's where we come in. At Fusion CPA, we specialize in delivering solutions that combine the power of Microsoft Power BI and NetSuite. We offer real-time visibility into your financial data by seamlessly integrating these platforms. To fully benefit from the software, it is vital to set it up in a way that considers all of your business needs. Our team of experts at Fusion CPA can help you set up and implement the software to give you the insights you need. Ready to transform your financial operations? Contact us today. Until next time, keep making data-driven decisions.